Hello viewers, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Today's recipe is a sweet. Now we all enjoy Rasmalai and I'm going to show you a variation to Rasmalai which is mango Rasmalai. So why wait? Let's get started and check out the ingredients. The first step is to make the pedas for the Rasmalai. For this, I've taken 1 liter of full fat milk or whole milk. When the milk starts to bubble up, add the juice of 2 small lemons. Bring the flame to a low and continue to boil the milk. The milk has curdled, turn off the stove and strain it. Rinse it with a little water to remove the sourness of the lemon juice. Cool the chena completely. And then we'll start kneading it. Knead it for about 5 minutes. Then add 2 teaspoons of corn flour and again knead it for another 5 minutes. After you've kneaded the chena, you can see it's got a lovely soft texture. Take a little bit and start rolling into pedas. Roll into desired shape and size. So this size should be ideal. And you can see the thickness, it's about a 1/4 inch thick. Now I'm going to make the sugar syrup. For this, I'm taking 2 cups of water. To this, add 1 cup of sugar. After adding the sugar, wait till it dissolves. Once the sugar dissolves, boil it for another 5 minutes. Gently drop the pedas into the sugar syrup one by one. Keep the flame on medium and cook the pedas in the sugar syrup for about 10 minutes. So if you can see, the pedas are swelling up nicely. So next step is to make the Rabri for the Rasmalai. For this, I've taken 1/2 liter whole milk or full fat milk. Once the milk comes to a good boil, add 1/2 cup of sugar. Once you've added the sugar, add the cardamom powder, add the sliced pistachios. Next, I'm going to add Charoli. This is optional. And few strands of saffron. Now I'm going to turn off the stove and cool the Rabri. The Rabris come to room temperature. I'm going to add the mango puree to the Rabri. Gently start placing the pedas into the Rabri. So make sure you soak the pedas in the Rabri for a minimum of 3 hours before serving them, and also serve them nice and chilled. I've maximized the summer season with all these delicious mango recipes. So I hope you've tried them, and do try this recipe as well and enjoy your summer. You can get a copy of our first edition of the home cooking book on Amazon and 21 Frames.